Welcome. Subscription required. Hard access denied. I found your smile behind a glowing screen, the prettiest face I've ever seen. You look so close yet miles away. Every dream had a price to pay. Every message locked in gold. Every promise bought and sold. I kept searching through the blue, thinking somehow I'd reach you. One more payment, one more try, one more reason to ask myself why. Love behind the paywall. Every heartbeat has a fee. You can buy 1,000 moments, but you'll never purchase me. Swipe for hope, pay for trust, watch forever turn to dust. If love's a product on display, I don't want it anyway. No VIP, no premium. Real love needs no subscription. Everybody sells perfection. Every touch becomes a transaction. Algorithms choose our fate, while real feelings have to wait. You've got diamonds in your bio, luxury in every photo. Beneath the polished light, someone's crying every night. Maybe love was never meant to live inside an app. Maybe hearts were made to beat outside the map. No filter, no disguise, just honest words and honest eyes. Silence, no notification, just me. Log out, look up, take a breath, feel something real. Break every password, break every chain. Love isn't something you download again. No payment, no code, no monthly plan. Just two hearts learning how to understand. Everybody flexing like they're living a dream. Perfect little stories on a perfect screen, but nobody posts every tear that they hide, every lonely midnight or the war inside. Followers growing, hearts getting cold. Everything's prices, everything's sold. I don't need a badge, I don't need fame, I don't need life for someone who stays. Love behind the paywall. I refuse to pay the price. If your heart needs a password, then it was never mine. Real love can't be streamed, can't be rented, can't be redeemed. It finds you when the world logs out. Connection lost. Maybe that's exactly where love begins.